Thanks for watching another video from the Feet for Life Centers of St. Louis, Missouri. I'm Dr. Michael Horwitz, and I want you to know I don't take a single advertising dollar. No corporations, no drug companies. That means my advice is 100% independent and focused only on helping you. My kitchen sink fungal nail program has been helping people worldwide since 2020. It's a complete coach-guided system, diagnostic culture, custom treatment, and maintenance plan, with me by your side every step of the way. You may not have realized this, but you can actually use your HSA or FSA account to pay for this treatment. That's great news for many of my patients. But even if you don't have access to those benefits, this program still delivers far more value than traditional in-office care. For less than the price of a single laser treatment or fungal nail culture, you'll receive comprehensive, lasting care. So the bridge is right in front of you. Take a look at it, and by the end of this video, let me know in the comments what you think. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Horwitz, a podiatrist with more than 30 years of experience in treating foot and ankle conditions. In 30 years, I've witnessed remarkable advancements in medical techniques. As a residency director, I focus not only on keeping myself updated, but also on discovering new novel ways to help my patients. I'm proud to share that I developed Safety Fix medical technologies and created the world's first FDA-cleared removable bone screws, earning patents in multiple countries for medical devices. But all that aside, I find that helping patients with persistent fungal nail infections has been profoundly rewarding. In today's digital age, I've had the privilege of consulting with literally thousands of patients worldwide. When it comes to fungal nails, I've noticed two primary groups of individuals struggling with this stubborn issue. The first group consists of those who seem indifferent about their toenail condition. They may not care what others think, perhaps accepting their circumstances are just a part of life. You've seen these people. They wear their Birkenstocks and they show their feet as if they just could not care less what people thought. The second group encompasses those who feel similarly apathetic, but at the same time have fought relentlessly against a problem that appears endless. They've experimented with numerous treatments only to find themselves back at square one, feeling frustrated and drained. So let's take a moment to reflect. If you've tried various treatments, be them topical solutions, oral medications, or even laser therapies, you might feel overwhelmed by the range of options. Perhaps you've experienced temporary relief only to see the issue resurface. It's important to acknowledge a key insight here. While you may have sought quick fixes, you might not have approached your situation with the right balance of scientific understanding and creativity necessary for effective treatment. Often I've observed that individuals look at fungal nail treatments from a fragmented perspective. The desire for a quick and straightforward solution is completely understandable. After all, we live in a society that often demands instant results. However, let's be honest, these fast fixes typically lead to frustration rather than genuine, lasting outcomes. It's time to explore the deeper complexities behind what's happening with your nails and your overall health, rather than just relying on the same ineffective methods you've encountered before. So why should you consider my expertise in this matter? Well, first let me clarify. My mission is to offer you a safe and effective pathway to lasting results. Many of my patients leave my office feeling extremely satisfied, having made significant progress with their nails. Oftentimes, mycologic cure is achieved, and this is lasting. I want that for you too. I provide a comprehensive treatment approach that fuses scientific knowledge with personalized care tailored to your unique circumstances. If you're serious about resolving your fungal nail problems, I encourage you to connect with me. On my YouTube channel, I've shared insightful information about what works, but there's so much more involved than just snippets of advice. Effective treatment requires a detailed consultation to harmonize every aspect of your care, the medical, the holistic, and your personal expectations. It is also vital to discuss a crucial element, and that is responsibility. This journey is a two-way street. When you seek assistance, it's essential to find a practitioner who is committed not just seeking a quick financial gain by trying to sell you vitamins. We see this all the time online. Now, other practitioners may offer you a prescription or a quick fix, and many of you have already been that route and it's failed. These practitioners I'm speaking of often lack the dedication to your overall well-being that I prioritize. I'm genuinely here for you throughout your entire journey. I'm just an email away to provide the support that you need. As you explore your options, consider whether the therapist you consult are truly taking responsibility for your situation. Do they show a genuine interest in your well-being? This is where the crucial distinction lies. I'm an advocate for taking an active role in your treatment, a commitment that is frequently missing in conventional quick fix approaches. So to conclude, I'd like to say that I would encourage you to ask yourself, are you ready to take charge of your health and move beyond procrastination in your healing journey? Let's take this path together. Remember, overcoming changes like fungal nails involves more than just treatment. It's about partnership, understanding, and owning your health. Together, we can work towards a lasting solution that you not only need, but truly deserve. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to connecting with many of you soon. And if you get the chance, please take a look at the video that we recently shot touring you through our office, our laboratory, explaining how we compound medications, and demonstrating the thousands of culture results that come back every single year from patients just like you that I'm treating worldwide. You'll see these results. There are folder after folder of happy patients that have undergone my treatment, and I'd like to see the same for you. So we're in January of 2020, and we're with patient Adam here, who started our program 2 months ago, right? And he looks phenomenal. Because he's compliant, because you've done everything we told you to do. What did your nails look like before you came in?
They were green and yellow and painful, and now they're starting to turn white again.
Because you did your homework and you were good. Tell everybody what you did to make these nails, what kind of responsibility you took.
Let's see. Took the pills every day, and then I call it nail polish, but I basically painted my nails with that clear solution, and every couple days I sandpapered them down.
So you were sanding about every other day?
Probably.
Okay. Put a little elbow grease into it, created some white powder. Okay.
Yes.
I got his, we're going to post his before and after pictures up right on the corner of the screen here. Just want you to see his progress. We pretty much cured him in 2 months. So this is what you should be expecting. Anybody that says 1 year is out of their minds. If they're this compliant, they should really be able to get the job done very quickly with the kind of medication. So thanks, good job.